Welcome, guys. So we have a question here from GCE ECZ. This question is drawn from a topic called probability, and it comes in paper. It came in paper 2, or let me just say this type of questions come in paper 2. So we need to go through this question, or you could go through the question, try, then let's see how we can compare our answers thereafter. All right, so we have this question. Let's go through it together. 13 cubes of the same size are numbered 1 to 13, and they are placed in a bag. If 2 cubes are drawn at random from the bag, one after the other, and not replaced, what is the probability that both cubes are odd numbered? Okay, so there is one thing that we need to establish. So we have 13 cubes in a box, okay? We have 13 cubes, and then we are being told that they are numbered. Those numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 11, 12 numbers here. Okay, so the question we're being asked is that what is the probability that the cubes that will be drawn, both cubes that will be drawn are odd numbered, all right? So we look at how many odd numbers do we have here? These ones here are 1. So these are the odd numbers in this bag. So the probability of drawing, the probability of picking the first odd number is going to be how many odd numbers we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be the probability both, okay, both odd numbers is going to be 7 over the total number of these cubes in the box, which is going to be 13, multiplied by, what would be the probability of getting another cube, of picking another cube, which is labeled an odd number. So you will discover that here we are talking about probability without replacement. So what has happened is that then cubes that have got odd numbers here have reduced because one was selected here. So they have reduced. Let's say if this is what we picked, you will discover now that the odd numbers have reduced from 7 to 6. So this will be 6 over. The total now has also reduced from what it was, from 13 to 12. So this is what we'll be dealing with. We have 7 over 13, and this is 1 over 2. Because you just simplify here, 6 into 6 and 6 into 12. Then you have 7 over 26. 7 over 26, 7 divided by 26 is what is going to be our answer here. 7 over 26. You know where 26 is coming from? We have to multiply. All right. So this is going to be the answer for the first one. This is going to be the answer for the first one, for the first question. And then we have now the second question, which we need to answer. And the second question says, only one is an even number. Only one of them is an even number. All right. Yeah, from these 2 cubes that are drawn, only one of them is an even number. So meaning we can have a situation where we have a probability where we have an even number, a probability where we start with an odd number, then the second one is an even number. So we are examining these 2 possibilities here. Okay, so we are saying if we go for an even number, the first draw is going to be an even number. These ones are the even numbers here. The even number is the number that is divisible by 2. So if we have an even number, it is going to be, how many are they? They are 6. So we have 6 over 13. Then what is the probability now that the second one, if the first one is an even number, the second one is an odd number. The odd numbers are still 7. They are still standing at what? At 7. But the total has reduced from 13 to 12. Again, when you simplify this one here, when you want to simplify this, what do you get? You could actually simplify this just from this point, okay? You could say 6 here, 6 there. Then this is going to end up with, again, we'll end up with 7 over 26. Or here we're going to put a plus. All right, so where we have the probability where the first one is an odd number, you remember we already had this situation, it will be 7 over 13. The odd numbers are still 7. When we go to this other side, it's like we restore all the cubes. Okay, we don't consider what we did this side because it was this or the other one. So the odd numbers are still at 7, then the total number is this standing at 13, multiplied by even numbers. The even numbers now, what are they? They are standing at 6. They are still at 6, and the total is 12. So meaning this, also when you simplify this, it comes back to 7 over what? Over 26. And when we add these ones here, what do we get? When you add this, it's going to give you 14 over 26, which you simplify to 7 over question here. I hope this is understood, ladies and gentlemen. There could be some of you that are writing your exams or preparing to write your exams this year or next year. I don't know which one. And if you're interested in being part of us, you could join our online lessons that we do. You can join the group, or we can agree on an individual arrangement. This is my number that you could actually get in touch with me on WhatsApp, or you can try a direct call. If that is not reachable, you can also try Mr. Piri on this number, that is 56, 58, and 76. All right. Thank you very much.